What's up guys, Anita here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be talking about 10 profitable business ideas that you can start with less than 100,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right. With less than 100,000 naira you can start these businesses. So make sure you sit back, relax and watch this video. Are you thinking about starting a business? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be sharing all the details, all the juicy details that you need, the ideas, the business ideas that you need to start a business. Before we get into the video, if you're new to this channel, hello, you're welcome. I'm a mommy YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. My channel is all about family, business, motivation, spirituality, in fact everything in between. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment for me in the comment section and also share this video. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So 10 profitable business ideas that you can start with less than 100k. My number one business idea is hairdressing. You can start hairdressing business. It's very easy. It can be for men. If you're a male or female, it doesn't matter. There are men that make good hair these days. So you can be a female that wants to start a profitable business or a man that wants to start a profitable business. This is one good idea for you. Just learn how to braid hair. It's very easy. It's not hard. You can just learn how to make braids. Can get maybe 1 or 2 people to teach you. Get a professional if you don't know how to do it, but if you know how to do it already, just perfect your skill. That's all you need. You can start braiding from home. Make sure you braid, at least if you can braid 1 or 2 people, braid your brothers, your sisters, just start learning from them. Then you tell your family and friends, let them know this is a business you started. All you need, sometimes you can just start from the front of your house, or if you have money you can rent a shop, but you know shops are expensive these days, so you can just start this business from the front of your house and you start telling people and you start braiding. Or you can do home service. Just go to houses, let people know, get your contacts. They can call you anytime you want to braid their hair. This is a profitable business. You can start with less than 100k. My number 2 business is selling of sunglasses. You can start selling sunglasses. Very easy. Just go to the markets in your nearby wholesale markets where you can get these glasses, or you can order these glasses online from AliExpress, from all these online stores. Get the wholesale prices. Some of these glasses you get them for 2,000, 2,500 for wholesale prices, and you start selling for 5,000 naira and even more depending on the customer. I always advise start small. You don't need to buy much of it, just 1 or 2. You can start with 10,000 naira, you can start with 20,000 naira, or even 50, depending on the people, depending on your demand. Start small and see how it goes. If they keep buying or they keep demanding for more, then you go for more. But this is a business you can start with less than 100,000, and you can start it from the comfort of your home, or have an Instagram account. Just open an Instagram account and start posting these glasses. You have to use them, you have to wear some of these glasses, then you post them online, and you'll be shocked the number of people that will want your glasses. Somebody like me, I love sunglasses, so I'll definitely, if you start this business, you can tag me and I'll definitely patronize you if I love your sunglasses, of course. Then number 3, POS business. POS business, we all know it's saturated, it's everywhere, but trust me, these people are making money all over. It doesn't matter. You can have 10, 20 POS operators in one street, but all of them are making money. Why? Because nobody goes to the bank anymore. People hardly go to the bank. Trust me, it's even stressful to go to the bank. So why will I want to go to the bank if I can just withdraw my money just in a nearby store, just close to me, in a nearby cubicle, and not going to the bank with all the noise and hustle and stress? So you can start a POS business. Just get, all you need is to get your POS machine, get less than 50k, and everything is ready. Get some little cash. You don't need to hold a whole 100,000 cash in your hand. Just start with a little by little. You keep growing, little by little you keep growing, and before you know it, you are big on POS business and you'll be getting customers from left, right, and center. There are people that want to do transfer, there are people that want to deposit cash. That's how you make your cash. So you don't even need to go to the bank to get cash. Customers can bring in cash. You can now sell this cash to them in POS and make your little profit. The profit is little, but it is sustainable. This, to me, it's a sustainable business that you can get little by little. In fact, they even get more. What am I saying? So this is a business, profitable business that you can start from the comfort of your home, or get a small cubicle just in front of your street or your junction or in front of your house, and you're good to go. My next profitable business that you can start is drop shipping. Let me explain what drop shipping is all about. It's all about you getting a store or getting a retail shop, an e-commerce business online like Amazon or AliExpress or Jumia, Konga. All you need to do is to get pictures of these products, and post them on your Instagram page or your Facebook, or share them on WhatsApp or your WhatsApp status, to be precise. Most people do that from WhatsApp. They don't have these products. All they do is drop shipping. They just get this product, the pictures, they post them on WhatsApp, they get demand for this product, they get the payments, they deliver these products, send it to the customers, and the customers pays them and they make their cut. The difference is that you are making a profit. Let's say you buy this product for 5,000 naira and you are selling for 8,000 naira. Your profit in this business is 3,000 naira. Apart from delivery, because your customer will definitely pay for the delivery, you can now pay the owner of this product. It's as easy as that. So dropshipping is one of the profitable businesses that you can start from the comfort of your home. My next profitable business that you can start with less than 100,000 is Arabian Perfumes. You can start selling Arabian Perfumes. We all love Arabian Perfumes. In fact, they are in vogue now. Everybody wants to smell nice. And the good thing about Arabian Perfumes is that they last longer. They have all these Arabian oils, those tiny bottles. But you can also get the Arabian Perfumes, the body sprays, the real perfumes. They are very cheap and affordable, and they are long lasting. And you can get these products just with less than 100,000. With 80 or 90,000, you can buy this product and start selling them. You can start using them on you. Anybody notice you're smelling nice, definitely want to know what perfume you are using, and all you need to do is tell them, these are perfumes that I sell, and you start cashing out, because definitely you get one or two people that will want to buy these perfumes, or even want to recommend you to other customers as well. My next on my list is cleaning business. Cleaning business, we all know people don't have time anymore. Like, time is money. So the time you used to start cleaning and house chores and all that, you don't have the time to clean your house. You can outsource it to a cleaning agency. These people will come, all they need to do, they clean. So you can be one of these cleaning agents. All you need to do is to get your buckets, your detergents, your cleaning items, and let's say you print a flyer. Let one or two people know, or you use word of mouth. To print a flyer will cost you nothing less than 8,000 to 10,000. You start sharing your flyer. You give your friends, your neighbors. Just share it to everybody. You're walking on the street, you see one or two people. These people are people that want to patronize. These are people that can be your These are your potential customers. You can give them your flyers and tell them this is what you do. You're into cleaning business. Then you can start your cleaning business. Make sure you put your name, your address, your contacts there, so they can contact you anytime they need your cleaning services. But trust me, you don't need much to start this. With less than 100,000, you can start a cleaning business, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. You don't need an office or a shop. All you need is a good phone that they can contact you with, and they call you, and all you need to do is to clean. You can start with yourself, just clean by yourself, or you can hire one or two people to clean with you if you have the money. But first, I advise you start alone first. See how the business goes, then you can start employing more people to work with you. Fresh juice. Yes. Do you know Kunu Aya? Do you know yogurt? Do you know all these Zobo drinks, all these smoothies? these are businesses that people, especially in Abuja, the weather is hot. If you are living in a hot environment, then this business is for you. And you want healthy drinks, and these drinks are healthy. Zobo is good. It actually lowers your blood pressure. Tiger nuts drink, they are very good. Aphrodisia. These are so many drinks that you can start from the comfort of your home, but you need to be very careful about these drinks. You need to be neat. These drinks are organic, and they need good cleaning environment. So you need to make sure your environment is well clean. Get a good branding person to brand this business for you, and you can start with less than 100,000. Trust me. All you need to do is to get these items, just buy them as the money comes. 20,000, 50,000, you invest in this business. You have a fridge or a freezer where you can preserve those drinks, and you start selling fresh juice. So next on my list is Gil Business. You can start tying gele. Yes, with as low Gil Business, all you need to do is just to learn. With 20,000, 30,000 naira, get someone that will teach you how to tie gele if you don't know how to tie gele. Or if you know how to tie gele, just perfect your skill and keep tying. Watch videos, watch YouTube videos, watch online videos of how to tie gele, and you start tying gele. All you need to do, as usual, let people know. Post yourself doing the process, post yourself tying gele online, and if people like your design, like your style, they will definitely contact you. The most important thing is people seeing what you can do. You need to keep tying. You need to tie on yourself and let people see. Then you tie on your family and friends. You can start by tying for free. With time, when people get to see, then you can start charging. Yes, you can charge for as much as 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 for just tying gele. It is that expensive. People, there's Owambe everywhere. There are weddings, there are occasions every weekend. So every weekend, money enters your account. Money flows to you because you're tying gele, and everybody celebrates. So this is one profitable business advice that you do. Then next on my list is selling used clothes. Thrift, they call it, or okrika. Yes, okay clothes. These okay clothes we've been buying okay clothes for years back, and this is one good business that you can start from the comfort of your home. You can start selling okay clothes. I know some of these okay stores online, all these thrift stores online, that you can get nice okay stuffs, nice used clothes that you can buy from online, from Instagram accounts, from Facebook. I've seen one or two, and I see very nice clothes, and most of these clothes are brand new, or I'm sure they didn't wear it for more than 2 or 3 times because they are almost new. So these clothes are clothes that you can get and start selling them. You can buy a bale if you want, but I know the bale now is expensive, so you can just go for something, maybe just get from someone that has a bale. You can go pick 1 or 2 depending on the amount that you have. Let's say you have 50, 60,000, 80,000. You can pick your bale, pick nice clothes. It doesn't matter. It can be for children. You can just specify. Maybe you want for both children and adults, or you just want for children, or you just want for adults, depending on your target audience and the customers that you want to sell to. Pick these products, buy these used clothes, and advertise. You can advertise them online. You can advertise just in front of your house, or tell your family and friends to come when they come visit. You advertise to them, and you'll be shocked. The amount you're selling every day. People buy okay clothes because they are very cheap and affordable, and they are things they can just wear easily and use, and they don't need to go break the bank to get these goods. So this is one profitable business you can start. You know how wig is selling in Nigeria, right? Yes, this wig making you can start from the comfort of your home. You can start selling wig online, and you start making your money. So wig making is one profitable business you can start with less than 100,000 naira. Yes, you can start with cheaper wigs first, then with time you can increase and start adding and go for much expensive wigs. But there are wigs you can get for 20k, 30k, 50k. You don't need to break the bank to start this business. Just start wig making. Start making wig. Get some of this affordable and good. They are good woman hair that you can get for less than 20k. If you know how to make them, just make nice ones and sell them for 20k, 25,000, depending on how much you buy it, depending on how much you make, of course, how much you use to make the wig, and you start selling them. You don't need much. You just need one or two, as they are demanding for them. Of course, anybody that demands, they will definitely need to pay you. As they are paying, you are using their money to buy these wigs and the cap and everything you need to make it. So wig making is also a profitable business, and you can start from the comfort of your home with less than 100k. Make sure you know about the business very well before you dive into it. You don't just dive into any business because somebody gives you the idea. No, make your research, know about this business, know the nitty-gritty about these businesses, then you can pick the one that you feel will be suitable for you. This is another way you can be making money without stress. So these are profitable businesses that you can start. There are 10. You can pick anyone. You can pick one or two. You can pick 3 or 4, depending on your capacity. If you feel you can do it, why not go for it? And I know you'll be cashing out. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section, and also share this video. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.